Welcome to another episode of How Much Does It Weigh? Today we've got the Yamaha DJX keyboard adapter. This thing weighs a lot. Now it plugs into the wall with a regular small plug, and then it plugs into this. Let me just show you how heavy this thing is. 2 pounds and 15.8 ounces. Basically, 3 pounds. And 1.355 kilograms. That's a lot of weight for a little keyboard adapter. Remember that this keyboard is actually pretty old. So, thank you for watching today's episode, and I'll see you on the next one.